Ngenza kwethu ake sithinte nalo lolu daba lukaThapelo obekade-ke ewuconstable waseMamelodi ozibulale ngokuthi asidubule bese-ke edubula-ke nomshana wakhe oneminyaka ewu-18. Ngaphambi kokuthi singene kulona ngicela ukubingelela ngokwamukela le channel eMaSwiti Media Production obingelelayo umxolisi umfana kaDluma waphansi le enkandla. Uma ngabe uyaqala ukufika cela ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe maqeda bale video ushaye like bese-ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Ngenza kwethu le nsizwa yakaMashego ebekade ithanda kangaka kusukela izolo ibithindiswa-ke ukuthi bekade ithumbe umndeni wayo ekhaya layo ngaphezu kwama-hour awu-16 ibavaleleke endlini. Bekade-ke bewu-4 kuyiyona unina wayo bese-ke kuba-ke abashana bayo abawu-2. Ngenhlanhla-ke lo oyedwa oneminyaka ewu-14 ukwazile ukuthi yena aphunyule ekwazi ukuthi-ke lo omunye oneminyaka ewu-18 ubekade enza umatric umbulele wabeke seyibulala naye. Uma wakhe-ke yena ukwazile ukuthi-ke naye amkhulule uma ngabe-ke amaphoyisa emncenga. Angifuni ukuthi-ke ngande kakhulu kulolu daba ngoba ikhona ivoice note yakhe ozoyizwa njengamanje abekade-ke ithumelile echaza ukuthi-ke kwenzeleni lokhu. Le voice note-ke ngicabanga ukuthi-ke ingolimi lwesipitori okuwulimi olususele kwelesuthu noma-ke kwisipedi noma-ke kwisitswana, kodwa nje okunye nje engikubambile mina kule voice note ozoyizwa njengamanje uyachaza-ke umfolo ukuthi-ke isizathu esenza ukuthi-ke enze lokhu. Esokuqala nje ukuthi-ke umndeni wakhe kanye-ke nomunye akasebenzisana naye bake bazama ukuthi-ke bambulale ukuze-ke bezothola izimali zakhe kanye-ke nomshwayilense. Bese kuthi-ke isizathu sesibili ubekhala ngokuthi uma ngabe ephumile emsebenzini umfowabo omdala ubesala ekhaya alale nonkosikazi wakhe noma-ke alale nentombi yakhe ngoba-ke bebengakashadi. Walala naye-ke kwaze kwafika ekuthenini kuze kuzalwe ingane. Ngaleso sikhathi umndeni wakhe wonke ngisho noma wakhe bayakwazi lokhu, kodwa-ke bebethule bemfihlele. Ngaphezu kwalokho bezama nokumbulala. Ekugcineni-ke wasebona ukuthi-ke kungcono ukuthi kenze lokhu akakwenzile. Izodlala-ke njengamanje ivoice note uyizwele ngawakho. Siyacela ukuthi-ke nabantu abaluzwa kangcono lolu limi bake basihumushele la kuma-comments, uphinde futhi ungitshele ukuthi-ke wena ukube wawusendaweni yakhe wawuyokwenza kanjani, ngoba ngeke ngabona nje kwamanye ama-comments bebaningi abantu abakhalayo, abesilisa nabesifazane bekhala ngey'mfihlo eziyayeke igcinwe umndeni ngenxa yosiko. Bethi-ke umndeni usiko, bethi umndeni bethi usiko, kodwa into ibe ingcolile. Ngicela sihlangane ema-comments ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani. Ngiyabonga.
Baholo ke Thapelo Mashego wa bolelang. Last bone ntate Elson Mashego le Christina Mashego. Ke nane girlfriend ba re ke Zandile Dlamini. Ne ke sa motshwari pile ne ke mo treat hampe thata. Ha holo nako tse a ima ha seno a ima immediately seno a ima until ngwana beleha o fitla ngwana ba ne ntse re phela re elwa hona ndi khwakana re sa utlwane. Ke fetsa o kry-a dinnete hore lebaka ke hore ngwana o a se waka ke ngwana wa abuti wa ka Timothy Mashego. Ba nkirile hore ke tsamaye le bona re ngakeng ho phethiwa hore ba re he ngwana wa bigwa hore o etsalang. Ngwana re ngwana wa ka o kitseng le wa ka Thembinkosi Dlamini. Ka sena sebaka ke nyanyise batho ba bantši ba putsitse hore wa ke phela bophelo bo boso ke phela marata ke frame yona ba nong hore ke change se di-police tsa mama official diteng dilo tse bjalo. Timothy Mashego a usa ka Tshepiso Mashego le Zandile Dlamini ba lapile ka nna ebile ke bona batho ba ileng hore ba tlhakantsha le batho ba go strateng community le maphodisa teng hona mo le ma metro ke khatlhanong le community le setšhaba ka bophara ha mmogo le ditšhomi tsaka ba zamile go njesa go apala a buta ka njesa ka robala go apala ka tsoga ka thusa ke Constable Godfrey Malope a ntsosa ke makala ke no petile block just like that ke tshelletswe mo dijong ka ke mpya empa ka tsoga ka khono fitla hae ke phephile. Zandile hona ba nong o jola le chomi ya mogwera ya America mmogo le nna ba re ke Constable Mothogwane. Constable Mothogwane ke pa ke dilo tsotletse le ena o na ne tema ya itletseng hore ho etsagale so ka he a irile hore re palle go ya America motho tsantse a tla tlontata re America ha tla tlontata o mpotsa ditori o nyaka ke nne hae hore ena le hore mogwera ha ya khona re bala le motho ke nnang le ena Zandile Dlamini. Ha ba fetsa mo ba etsa mmereko ha bo Zandile Dlamini ko West ko C1 wa re tsotlile di bulehe o phethehe ke gwere bolayane ba botlhe ka he ba Dlamini ba sa rate motho wa Mashego ka ntle le abuti wa ka Timothy Mashego ba expectile hore Timothy Mashego ke yana fela tlo survivang hore a khone ho tswella pele le lapa le ka hele yena ba motlise botlhoko ba re nna ba ngspoetse too much ke setola di trap di a faila empa wa tlo di utlwang dilo tse khopela a iseta ba e go pele a botsise mme motswadi Mashego o tla le botsa le ntataka wa leng go Pietersburg o tla le botsa le auntie ya ka Ashu modimo khopela ntshwarele ka tsotlhe tse ke le ditseng tsona tsotlhe tse ke ba utlwisitseng botlhoko tsona pampile ditse batho ba tompola go apala phone ya ka e blokile ka di one tsa me ke palletse ko nka berekisa number ya ka ya 0748147299 e sale e blokiwa from May khona ne le OB number ko Mamelodi West e tlhaisang bopaki bo ba blokile ba khona bona hore a ke ne tšhelete a ke ne selo ke useless ke no tsuba di drugs ke no ba liability ebile ke ba phidisa wima ba nketsa planner ba mpolae ha ba fetsa ba rapela modimo mo modimo khopela ntshwarele khopela le bona ba tshwarele
Jesus,
with regard to the police official, yes, I've learned that he have taken 3 people hostage in Mamelodi. The negotiators are on the scene. The special task force is also on the scene. So they are busy with that scene. So they will update us as to exactly what is happening. We wouldn't know what is the cause, but we understand there is an elderly and 2 more people, and one of them a young boy that he held hostage. So we don't know the motive, but the negotiators are on the scene. We'll take it from there.
The negotiations proceeded. It took almost 16 hours of negotiations, trying to negotiate with the constable. At around 23 hours 53, the tactical team comprising of a special task force went inside. Of course, in the process, the negotiators were still negotiating to see if the constable will come out, while the team was tactically proceeding inside the house. In the process, while the team was approaching, just before they entered into the house, 2 shots were heard, and as they checked inside the house, it was found that the constable has taken his life. He committed suicide.
Do we know details around the 18-year-old? Is he okay?
The 18-year-old was found. Unfortunately, he passed.
Any details around what happened
at the moment? At the moment, there's gunshot wounds on the 18-year-old. Further details, it will be found or revealed after the whole crime scene is cleared as to how many actually bullet wounds on the body of the 18-year-old.
District Commissioner, just last one for me. In your conversation when you were able to get the mother out, how did that go? How did that come about?
Speak on the mic, a damn speak on the mic. One of us are moving to Manzai, then Zabulesi. By they know very well. No, they know very well. That's what the best
Thank you very much. We are here as the leadership of the EFF. My name is Subaken Rama with the MMC responsible for environment and agriculture. Remomo Mamelodi, where the hostage is happening, where the guy called Tapelo in Ward 18 is hold the family hostage. The task force is here. As the leadership, we've been here for hours to try to be in solidarity with the family We're glad that the grandmother has been released, and we're worried about the 18-year-old who's inside the house. But the task force has entered the house, and the negotiation team that tries to negotiate with Thapelo have exhausted all their efforts, and we heard gunshots just now, and this is something that as the leadership in Tshwane we are worried about, and we think that there's a lot of work that needs to be done to support the mental health and deal with the depression that is happening. We don't know what has transpired, but what we can say is that there's no normal person who can treat a family like this. It's a sad situation. Earlier on, we tried to call Thapelo on the phone. He spoke about witchcraft, the issues of paternity test, the issues of families that is mistreating him, and all that. And all that we can say is that we need to work together as leadership to support individuals. And as we can talk, we can hear that there are gunshots at the back that are happening, and we just wish that after all this, all must be well. And we are very sad about what is happening here. We are going to visit the GOG tomorrow as the leadership in the hospital to understand and try to provide support as the leadership, together with the MEMC responsible for health and social development. We will try to see if we can provide social workers to engage with the GOGO and all that. So we are still here on the scene, and we should update with a statement from the city. We have briefed the executive mayor about everything that is happening. The EMS is here, the TNBT is here, and we think that we will get the situation right, but we think that this is very unfortunate what is happening. Thank you very much.
Usubuke waze wafika ekugcineni kwevideo. Ngicela ukupha nawo umtitilizi wamahhala ha. Selingena ihlobo, isifikile ifestive, ngenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe uzofisa ukuthi uthenge izimpahla ezintsha, mhlawumbe usithengela wena noma mhlawumbe uthengela abantwana bakho. Kodwa manje ibudget tight noma mhlawumbe ufuna nje ukusave, awufuna umosha kakhulu imali ngoba phela noJanuary uyeza. Kanti futhi iningi nedingo kuDisemba. Nansi code lapha yamahhala ha esiphiwa usiphokazi wakaGodide lapha ku Facebook. Le code ikwazi ukukusiza ukuthi mhlawumbe uthenge izinto zika 1200 wamalandi kuShein noma in ukwazi ukuthi lezo zinto ugcina uyikhokhele noma ugcina uyithenge ngo300 wamarandi kuphela. Into ozoyenza wena uzothuma ngabe usukhethe wakhithiza laphana kuShein wakho noma kuShein app yakho, usukhithe wakhithiza izinto ezingaphezulu kwa1200 noma ezu1200 wamalandi. Uzothi-ke mangabe usuyokhokha ke bese ufaka le code laphana ku promotion SKRF9 njengoba uyibona ke la SKRF9, noma mhlambe makuthi khona ungakunderstand kahle uhambe uyobuza yena usiphokazi Godide ku Facebook njengoba ulibona igama lakhe libhaliwe la. App ke yakaShein ithembakele kakhulu, nawo futhi lama code athembekele kakhulu, nami sinke ngawasebenzisa njengaphambilini. Nganza kwethu ake sizame ukwenza izinto ezizokwenza impilo zethu zibe lula. Uyashopha lapha kuShein, uyayithatha izinto oyifunayo, mangabe usuyithathile usufaka le code, imali yakho isiyehla, bakudilivela mahhala, izinto zakho zize eminyango ungakazi unyakaze. Njengalona nje uthenga izinto ka 780 wagcina ekhokhe u270, nangomunye futhi uthenga izinto zika 922 wagcina ekhokhe u306 wamarandi kuphela. Inhle kakhulu ke ingubo zakhona ke lapha kaShein, impahla zakhona nje amabhlukwe, ikipa, amakapisi, icathulo, yonke nje into yakhona inhle ngendlela eyisimanga, futhi nje kulezi insuku ithandwa ngendlela eyisimanga. Ngakho ke cela ukuthi ke nawe ungasali, ngiyakuplaga njengamanje. Mangakuthi khona into ongayi-understand noma ungayithembi kahle, comment khona la kule video, mina ngizobe sengikulekelela. Ngiyabonga.